Swing. Don't count him out. Here we go. Last over. Heaved away. That's 4 of them. One bounce. That's the start you need when you're trying to get 17.
And don't forget Yuvraj. He's taking Stuart Broad for 6 sixes in a T20 game as well. So he can hit 2. Perfect start for India.
A lot of those sixes went over cover too, didn't they? Cover and backward point. He can use those wrists, that big high back lift and wrist cock to go offside or leg side. That was a little too easy. Just something on his pads, no way.
Where's he bowl this one? Heaved away. It's got all of it, has he? He has. 4, 6.
Unbelievable strike there from Yuvraj. The Indians are on their feet. That's the long boundary out there as well.
First one. Simple flick. That's not simple. That's fallen on middle stump. That does not deserve to go for 6 over big wicket. Deep into his crease. He's tie aware of that. This is where experience counts. What does Yuvraj normally do? He's not sure. His front foot was only on the front line.
He was 5 off 9. Yuvraj Singh is now 15 off 11. The equation's down to 7 off 4 balls. Where's this one going? Oh, it's over the stumps. They're going to run through. And Bancroft misses. They'll get a bye, I think. Yep, a bye signal. So it's back on 2 a ball. Ryder on strike. Well, those 2 blows. Yuvraj Singh. But India back in front in the game. 2 balls.
Ryder hasn't faced the ball for a while. They're like grasping at straws.
Tell you, the wicket might actually know, wouldn't it? 6 off 2 with MS Dhoni coming to the crease. He's going to bowl slow on this time. And he gets it on the pads again. Played it well, India. They've chipped away at that leg side. Back for 2. 4 needed. 2 balls remain.
Now the cat and mouse starts. Does Shane Watson bring another fielder inside the circle? Does he keep him back and try and take it as deep as possible?
That's a different bench to the start of the over, that Indian bench. They were rubbing their hair, their heads were down. Yuvraj Singh was a lot more sombre looking than he is now. They've come to life, and so has Yuvraj.
Well struck again, that could be it. Now Bush will get around. It's got to get it in. They only get 2. Well, a bit of slack running there from Ryder. They probably should have got back a 3 there. Yuvraj Singh wanted the 3rd. So they're 1 run behind, 1 ball left.
I mean, you can't celebrate too early. Could it be a super over?
The call. What happens in the super over?
Well, it's 3 batsmen, isn't it? One over. If the game's tied, so that if they get a 1 off this ball, the game's tied. Obviously a 2, India wins, no score. Australia win.
As if he hasn't had enough. Shane Watson probably have to pad up again.
And then come out and bowl the last over. Yeah, and they'll probably have Rowan Sharma and Virat Kohli in the back. Right, final ball. Now Watson's bringing the field up here. This is interesting. Watson's going for the win. He's got the offside up. So he's not giving away a 1 on the offside, although they'll hit run, I dare say. 3rd man going back. They've got 4 men up on the offside. 4 in the deep on the leg side.
They've got some thinking to do, haven't they? They can't come rushing in too quick. He can hit a 6 over the head or a 4 over the head. That wouldn't be good.
Here we go. 2 to win. It's slow. They've got it, India. What a win that is. They've chased down 197 off the last ball and won the series 3-0.
Great innings from Suresh, 49 off just 25 balls. It was a back of a length ball. Rhino whipped it over backward point. Look at the elation of the Indians. That is a seriously good run chase.